Welcome back to Mountain Wildlings. It's almost Halloween, so I want to be a light fury, and my baby brother Finn wants to be a night fury. So instead of buying our own suits, we decided to make them. My dragon wings have to be symmetrical. That's just a fancy word for same on both sides. We're using paper so we don't mess up our costume. So first you should fold the paper. You should always do it on the folded side because that's really important. Then you draw your shape. First, we need to unfold. By remeasuring our arms, my arms are 50. One wing needs to be 25 inches long. So you put 0 at the folding side and find it. And just add a little line there. And we're using chalk because marker doesn't wash off, and this is easy to wash off. This is what a light fury dragon wing looks like. Now it's time to draw the wing shape of our dragon. Now it's time to cut. Felt is very thick, so you might need heavy duty scissors. Ask a grown up to help. Now when we open it up, we have dragon wings. Now we're gonna add detail to our dragon wings. We use these pipe cleaners. It will help keep it strong. Have all the things in place, you get a grown-up to help glue them on with hot glue. Now it's time to put straps on them so they stay on. Now we're going to put on our straps. For our straps is this glittery tie. You can hot glue it if your hot gun is still hot, or you could sew on it. We're gonna sew it on. First, you need to measure your arm. So, and see where the straps have to go. So that's where my straps are gonna go. And next, you need to measure how long your strap can be. You need to round it around so you can know how big it should be. Make 2 of them the same size. Now it's time to sew in our strap. You want to overlap your circle. And then you get to put it right there, like that, and get a push pin and put it through like that. So you don't have to hold it the whole time. First, you need a needle and a threader and some little scissors and some thread. Get some like a arm length of thread. You get scissors and you cut it, and then you get the needle. Next, you need to tie a knot at the end of the thread. Yeah, Papa, me guys. Now we're ready. to sew. After you're done sewing, you tie a knot, cut it, and take out the push pin. Then do the other side. Now let's put it on. To make our towel. From my waist to my ankle, it was 24 inches. Time to mark it right there. Now it's time to make the shape of a light fury tail. So this is what a light fury tail look like, and I need to draw it with chalk. Now it's time to cut out the tail. So get it drawn up to help. So look at that. The dragon's tail. The tail of the light fury. Now it's time to finish our costume. We're going to make the fins at the top of the dragon's head. So we're going to make them on these headbands. Chase them out with this chalk. Cut them out with these scissors. Using this foam sheet. It's time to fold your foam sheet long ways. And then you roll two little ones, and then two big ones. The foam is also very thick, so get a grown-up to help. After you cut them out, you get a headband. You wrap it around the big ones in the middle, the small ones on the outside. Then get a grown-up to help you hot glue them in place. So there it is. You are finished. So there you have it. Your own light fury costume. Come back next week for more videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe.